Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you often asked yourself the question, how to become a crypto millionaire and properly manage risk? So today I want to share the strategies that works and allows you to generate life-changing wealth in crypto. These are advanced techniques, so buckle up and get ready to take your trading to the next level. Success in crypto investing is all about managing your risk. Here are 3 key tips. Set stop losses on every trade to limit potential downside. Determine your risk tolerance and stick to stop losses that allow you to sleep at night. Diversify your portfolio across at least 10 assets to avoid being overexposed. Rebalance periodically. Have trading capital you can afford to lose without impacting your lifestyle. Only invest what you're willing to lose. Once your risk is under control, here are some pro tips for maximizing your upside. Use leverage, margin trading cautiously. It can amplify gains, but also losses if used incorrectly. Target 25x gains on altcoin trades by finding hidden gems before they explode. Set profit-taking levels and stick to them. Master technical analysis to optimize entry and exit points. Use charts to time your trades. Keep 50-80% of your portfolio in established, lower-risk assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum to balance aggressive trades. That wraps up today's training on how to manage risk and maximize your gains like a crypto millionaire. By following these advanced strategies, you can grow your wealth exponentially in the crypto market, but always be prudent and disciplined. Patience and risk management are the keys to long-term success. Now get out there, execute on these tips, and build your crypto fortune. Let me know in the comments what crypto topics you want me to cover next. Smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.